Greetings, La Joya ISD community. Today, our district has the privilege of hosting our County Food Service Distribution Bank and also our Head Start program.
We partnered up with a food bank and La Joya ISD to be able to have a food distribution. And this is our third event in partnership with La Joya. And it's just been amazing. We're able to feed anywhere from 400 to 500 families within this community. So it's a great partnership where we get to help our families in need and our children in our precinct.
La Joya ISD has been such a phenomenal partner. When we approach the leadership here at Seguin Elementary, because we know that there are children and families that are really needing that support. And they were completely on board, and not only did the principal get on board, immediately the administration said, what is it that we can do to help? Then the police department came in and the food bank. But quite frankly, it really has to do with meeting the needs of children and the families here in the La Joya area. We're just so very proud to be able to partner with La Joya ISD, and we're very grateful.
So this is a multi-department and multi-entity partnership. We've got Hidalgo County, we've got Head Start, we've got Student Services, the police department that came together to be able to help our community. These are great events that help us be able to see the need out there in our community and be able to support this part of our district. Everybody was welcome. Everybody has been hands-on, supportive, and it's just been a great event.
So one of the things that we wanted to do, we really wanted to support our parents of La Joya ISD. We worked in this collaboration. We really want to give them that support with these meals, this food distribution, and we're just looking forward for more opportunities to provide these food distribution opportunities for our parents in our community of La Joya ISD. We've been able to support our families, about 800 families that we've been able to support here today in this magnificent event of La Joya ISD and Food Bank RGV.
I want to wholeheartedly thank, on behalf of our board and our staff, I want to thank Judge Cortez, I want to thank Commissioner Villarreal, and I want to thank Irma Peña, our Head Start Executive Director, for coming to our district and showing our families that we care for them. That from each family, this district and the county can actually equip our students and build families at the same time together. So through our token of food distribution this morning, we get to say your leadership from the county to our school district loves our families, we love our children. And today, what a wonderful testimony to have the entire community come together at La Joya ISD to show everyone how special our students are, how special our families are. Blessings, everybody, and remember, it's always service before self.
Head Start, where the learning begins and success follows.